Welcome to our full Cars Expert TV look at the 2025 Cadillac DeVille Coupe. It's a blend of modern luxury, technology, and timeless elegance that you've come to expect from Cadillac. Let's dive in and explore from every angle: front, rear, interior, and what's under the hood. Starting at the front, the 2025 DeVille Coupe is a head-turner. Cadillac's signature grille has been redesigned, now featuring a bold honeycomb design. Sleek LED headlights, adorned with Cadillac's signature vertical daytime running lights, give it a futuristic yet classic look. Subtle chrome accents frame the front fascia, adding an extra touch of sophistication. Moving to the rear, the DeVille Coupe showcases a minimalist yet striking design. Vertical LED taillights mirror the design of the front daytime running lights, creating symmetry and continuity. A subtle lip spoiler is integrated into the trunk lid for added style and functionality. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that redefines luxury. Premium leather upholstery with intricate diamond stitching, soft touch materials, and genuine wood trim create an environment of pure luxury. The centerpiece is a massive 38-inch curved OLED display that stretches from the driver's cluster to the infotainment system. It delivers sharp graphics, intuitive controls, and is equipped with the latest version of Cadillac's infotainment suite, complete with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Under the hood, the 2025 DeVille Coupe is powered by a 4.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that produces 500 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powerful engine delivers smooth and responsive performance. Whether cruising on the highway or winding roads, the DeVille's adaptive suspension system ensures a comfortable and composed ride. An available all-wheel drive system provides added confidence in a variety of driving conditions. The 2025 Cadillac DeVille Coupe is a testament to Cadillac's commitment to innovation, luxury, and performance. From its striking exterior design to its luxurious interior and thrilling performance, this car is a true standout. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all things automotive. Let us know in the comments. Are you excited to take the 2025 DeVille Coupe for a spin? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.